Running Monkeys just got an update. They added bundles, an ATM, a complete horror cosmetic, a server boost cosmetic, a gun cosmetic. What else? And they had some fan art. Took a look at that. Pretty cool fan art. Back to school cosmetics. There's a water bottle for 500 banana. Currency. 150. I don't know. I'm just gonna call it bananas. 1,000 for a pencil, and 500 for a chocolate. And there's like one more thing to show. Actually, like two more things to show. Got my controller. Pick that up. The update log version 00.5 LG badge school bundle fix some bugs. We got Vexy mod YouTuber. Then we got Elijah beta tester. That's pretty much all for the new back to school update. I do not have a lot of banana books, so maybe in the next video I will have I might get this to make, for shorts. Thank you for 370 subscribers. Fucking subscribe.